Okay, it is 2:32 p.m. I am making some coffee, pour over, and getting ready to jump into the car with my friends, and we are headed to Mount Massive. It is the second tallest 14er in the state, or in the Rocky Mountains. I have never done one before, but we're just gonna see how it goes. Feeling pretty nervous about this, not gonna lie, but I'm going with some really experienced people, so why would I ever turn this opportunity down? Here's that pour over. All right, I'm gonna put my shoes on and let's go. Now I am in the car with my friends. Do you guys want to be part of the vlog?
We can be.
Oh, hell yeah. Go ahead and introduce yourselves, please, if you don't mind.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
Jessica?
I'm Brandon.
Brandon! Jessica was my sister's college roommate in Boulder, so they are both super experienced climbers. Jessica, how many 14ers have you done?
36.
36, and what about you?
56 or 57.
Amazing, so that is 56 or 57 more than me. So I'm so excited to be with them today. I'm very grateful that they're taking me with them because they're gonna have to hear my voice all day, so yeah, here we go. Hey, so this is our first stop on the way up to the mountain. We are going to the bathroom. How luxurious. So, and what did you just say, Jessica? You can't believe we are...
It's this cold down here and we're going up.
Yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, so we are hiking 14.5 miles and 14, you just told me, say it again.
4,500 feet.
4,500 feet of gain. I don't have to remember numbers that often, but that is what we are doing today. So, just get ready. Just had my first, or of the day, outdoor potty experience, so that was dope. Pulling up. Woo, there it is, Mount Massive trailhead.
One other group.
We did see some headlamps, so that's exciting. We'll have a rescuer if something happens, right? Just
Right.
kidding. Right.
Or we'll be rescuing someone.
I like it.
Hey Brandon, can I top off your sunscreen thing so I don't have to bring up the whole bottle?
I also have a bottle if you guys need it.
Okay, fantastic.
I've got a sun shirt, a cool fleece, a Vertex soft shell, got a beanie here. We're layering up just in case, and we're gonna shed as we go. Raincoat as backup. So today I am concealing in my Hill People Gear chest rig. So I have my Rose P365 comp, just in case, you never know. So Hill People Gear pack on the front for easy access. I also have my inhaler in here because your girl's an asthmatic. I already took a puff like 20 minutes ago. Let's see. Oh wait, it's upside down. Shit. This is my hiking pack today. This is my brother's backpack, or brother-in-law's backpack. I've got another raincoat in here, got a hat, got some pit vipers, got some candy, got some beef jerky, pickles, all the essentials. A first aid pack with basically an IFAK kit here. Worst comes to worst, you never know. The crew brought band-aids, so we've got that. And then got some sunscreen because it's gonna get sunny. What else? Got some fire starter in here, some matches, pepper spray. Got a compass, tourniquet, and water. This is the Boost Oxygen. You said it's a placebo thing?
Yeah, it's super concentrated oxygen.
Amazing. Do you guys want to explain the Diffie bag to my peeps?
Diffie bag?
Diffie bag.
Yeah, that's all him.
Give us a tour.
A tour?
Just like explain. What is this?
I could crack this one. I'll give you a fresh one for your bag.
You don't have to do that. It's up to you.
Diffie bag is like a portable poop bathroom system. Some people, if they're camping, like fixed site camping, car camping. They'll have a little bucket that they can set this up in, but basically you crack it here, you'll open it, and it'll reveal a much larger bag. Comes with complimentary TP. Whoa. There's wet wipe in here, and then the main attraction in this bag, I'm not going to unroll it all the way, there's a secondary bag.
Whoa.
Which opens up into a giant funnel with ties you can wrap around your waist if you prefer, or you can set it up on the ground, pin it down with some rocks. At the bottom of this is kind of a powder or litter. The guy who makes this stuff says it's proprietary, so he doesn't share what exactly it is, but basically it helps to mitigate odor, and it's got clumping and coagulating agents in it, so it takes all your shit or pee or whatever and keeps it together. And then you can tie it in a knot, and you can zip this closed, so you've got a double bagged poop solution to basically pack it in, pack it out.
All right, got the gloves, got the pack, got the crew. Couldn't do it without the crew. I'm gonna clasp this here and cinch, baby, cinch. Here we go. This is the fit. Can't see my boots, it's too dark. How you looking, Jess? How you feeling?
Great.
You're looking great. You feeling great?
Yeah.
Amazing.
I'm ready.
This is a normal day for you guys, so yeah, it's good. Yeah, you want to see how bright my flashlight is? This is the Mod Light PLHV2. Check this out, ready? Bam. You want to see like animals and insects? It's flashing, damn it. Like, check that out. Wow. She's amazed. We are starting in complete darkness. Temperature is 26 degrees. Got like 4 layers. My gun is technically insulation. I probably shouldn't yell that I have that, but here we are in the middle of nowhere, so it's fine. There's not gonna be a lot of footage for the first part of the hike. Probably, I would think.
Yeah, it's just like...
It's just headlamps hitting rocks and me falling a little bit here and there. 10,700 feet, it's official. Here we go.
That's what mine said.
Oh, cool.
Jessica.
Got it. Woo! So far we're only seeing birds, and that's it, right? Just birds? Heard a chipmunk. Yeah, let's see what else. Oh wow, oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. How are you doing back there?
Yeah, edit it real tight. Oh, I'm doing great.
Solid?
100%. My legs just got warmed up.
Awesome. Good. Warm legs, warm heart, right? That's what they say?
Dude, I'm not sure his heart rate went above 100 yet. He's insane.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, this is our first food break. How high are we and what mileage are we in?
We had 3 hits, so not super high.
Got it.
We're 2 miles in.
2 miles in.
10,855 feet.
10,855 feet.
You said 2 miles?
That's not what my watch says.
Fantastic.
That's wonderful. So let's get a snack. I'm gonna do Archer all natural turkey, not sponsored, and oh snap pickles. Going savory. And then for later, I got some sour bitters, sour brights, sour bright crawlers. Okay, Jess, point to where we're going.
Over there.
That little bit of light.
Yeah.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. What have I done? Just kidding, just kidding. I'm so happy to be here. All right, let's get it.
I mean, mine didn't have to do I look at the ground and I see my crash and the do not eat, do not eat, do not eat.
It's actually really funny. So we're back on the trail. We just took a quick snack break and electrolyte break and water break and story break. And now we're doing it. This is it. Well, we were still doing it. We're continuing to do it. Getting some sunlight. We are officially at 3 miles, guys. going strong. Apparently it's about to get a little bit more steep according to these guys. So God bless. 11,000 feet. Yeah, I went in the Sierra Nevadas in Spain and hiked up and then went down the water system. It was fucking insane. So cool. Yes, actually, we had wetsuits on. Cool, cool, cool. Awesome possum. Awesome possum wash'em. Yep. That didn't take me forever or anything. Amazing. This one little dot says our elevation. Okay.
And what our speed is. Yeah.
Awesome.
The description.
Okay, this is my first time peeing in the woods. With the altitude. This is the system. Toilet paper and waste baggie. So, well, we're gonna waste on the ground. These birds are getting so close. Ooh, can I get closer? Gorgeous. I am back from my first woods peeing experience. I don't know what to say. I feel really vulnerable. Peed on my shoe. Peed on my shoe a little bit. We're taking a break though. Back to sour crawlers. Yep. Showing, yes, we are doing sunscreen because we're about to step into the sun a bit more. So
Here we go up that ridge, and the summit is like, you can barely see it just left of that tree. That's the summit way back
left
there.
of the tree. Wait, is this tree in the way?
Like,
Yeah, the one right in front of us.
Okay, so go higher. Boop, boop.
so, actually, you know what? Let me show you a picture so that you're aware.
Yeah,
That's not it. At this point, that's not it.
that's not
over
it.
there.
Okay.
Farther away than that. Let me just show you a picture so that you know when you're looking at it.
Unfortunately, the GoPro is dying, but we are definitely past mile 4. Right? Coming up on mile 5. Solid. And then it's how many more miles into the peak?
Well, it's elevation gain that matters. But,
Got it.
theoretically, the peak is 7.25 miles, and we're at 4.3.
Amazing. 4.3 miles.
So 3 more miles to the top.
3 more miles to the top.
Okay, this is pretty much exactly what you're seeing. So this here is called South Massive, right there. And we're gonna have to go up over that little bump to the left, up the ridge. And then the actual true summit is right behind that tree right there.
Solid.
If you come over, you can see it.
The true summit is over there. Oh, I see.
it?
Yeah. All right.
So we got
Let's
a
go
long
see
ways
it.
to go.
Up close and personal.
146. We're at 5 miles in. We've gained about 2,000 feet.
Oh, yeah.
A little over.
Gain 2,000 feet. And check out this view as I cough. Stand it up. Next snack is a pepperoni seasoned turkey stick by Chomps. Yum.
All right. Yep.
Okay, we are at 13,000 feet. Whoa, look at that view behind me. Freaking wild. I'm having to take quite a few breaks. My friends just showed me a cool technique. You breathe in and then you kind of force the breath out because it's harder to breathe out. And that kind of gets the oxygen flowing. Now, it's definitely a new technique for me, but it's really helpful. So 13,000 feet, woohoo! Almost there. Look at that view, guys.
Sure. Kind of be on the other side.
Things are starting to get a little bit harder. We have about 150 feet left to go, and we've been basically scaling rocks at this point. So yeah, come with me because it's pretty wild. And we met someone on the trail and he's joining us. Here we go.
As you gain kind of like the boulder fit over there. Before the boulder fit though, you gain like the broad saddle.
And that's why it's a class 2, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Up that ridge we're looking at, that's the straight ahead.
Yeah, you see the snowy part?
Yeah.
Like there's little touches of snow on the ridge.
We've made it! Woo! Here we are. Little dog right now. You want to get down? Yeah. Absolutely.
Good option.
Right? Solid.
We'll stop it.
This is it. We're here. Exciting. Yay. Thank you.
It is Uncrustable.
Your time. What are you eating?
Uncrustable.
Amazing. What are you eating? Do you want to share?
Moon pie.
Moon pie. Ooh. What's your name, by the way?
Ryan.
Ryan. I'm Sophia.
Sophia, nice
Nice
to
to
meet you.
officially meet you. Okay. Alright guys, we are officially in the snow. We tried to beat it, but to no avail. Mostly because I am super slow, so that's what's happening right now. But look at this pouring in over here. Dang. Alright guys, we have 2 miles left to our trip. How are we feeling, everybody?
Sleepy.
Surprise. Good? Yeah?
Until I don't. Feel good until I drop.
Exactly. I like that. Well, we're killing it. I will get up when somebody else does, and that's our path. All right, see you at the end. 4%.
I follow
Back.
online. You did.
We're back with the flashlight. We are hiking out now. We have about 1.5 miles left.
Climb, right?
It is currently
Real climb, right?
raining.
Yeah.
I think it looks like snow. It feels like rain. So we're still pushing. Everyone's pretty tired, and we're excited to be back in the car because we're gonna go get pizza on the way back. So here we go. Our fearless leader, Jess.
Whoa.
That's
It is
so cool.
really snowing now. We officially have snow. Officially.
It's snowed up.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you guys can see that, but that was not there when we got here this morning,
Yeah.
apparently. And we're
That smells
thinking,
fresh.
Jess is thinking that is probably what Mount Massive looks like right now. So Jess just told me we're walking through an aspen grove that we didn't get to see this morning because we were in the dark, but check these out.
They look like the Tetons.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, we are like seconds away from the parking lot, but you guys have to see this view that we did not get to see on the way in.
Yeah.
Check it out.
My friend that did that did the
It's like a movie.
He supported us the whole way. He tried to do it, then his knees just swelled up. And we only got 10 miles, but... Right?
We made it! Woo! How do you guys feel?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Tired.
Tired AF. Feeling good?
Yeah.
All right, on to the next adventure. Thanks for watching.